Alright guys, I rotated the tires in my 2015 Buick Encore, so now we have to relearn the tire positions. So on this particular vehicle, we're going to go ahead and we're going to press this menu button until we see vehicle information menu, and then we're going to turn this little dial until we see the tire pressure. And now that we see that, we're going to come over here. We're going to press this little button on the end. I think you have to hold it for a few seconds. And then it says, are you sure you want to relearn? We're going to turn this dial to yes. We're going to hit that set clear button again. That honk now means we are in the tire relearn mode. And you're going to look at your door. You're going to see that that light is on the mirror, and then this marker light is on right here, and that means you're on the correct tire. And so you're basically going to start in the driver's side front. You have to use a tool. I've tried doing the air in, air out method, and it did not detect it for whatever reason. So we're going to use this tool. You're going to hold it right about here. You're going to press this button. And we don't have any, guys, there's no battery in it. All right, guys, I have a battery now. So hold your little dial, your little gauge right about here and press the button. And that tells us it learned that position. Now the next position is going to be around the passenger side front, and you can tell because that light's on and that light's on. And we're going to do the same thing. Press the button, hold it right about there. And that one's now programmed. And next one is the passenger side rear position. Same thing. Hold the little button. And that one's good. Let's go ahead and do this side now. And this is the driver's side rear, as you can tell by that light. And position it right about there. Press and hold the button. That one was quick. That's it, guys. Tire positions are now learned. And I actually did try the method where you let the air out, and it never detected it. But as you can see right there, we are at 23 pounds now. So I now have to go and get my air compressor out, fill that guy back up. And guys, if you're not sure what the tire pressures are in your vehicle for this 2015 Encore, just open up the driver's side door and there'll be a sticker right here near the latch side. And this one is 35 PSI for the front and the rear, and then the spare is 60 PSI. So if you ever have to add air, always check your spare and add air to it as well. But anyway, there you have it, guys. That's how you reset the tire position for your tire pressure sensors. So I hope that helps you guys out. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Kevin's Way Works. Uh-oh.